check right there. I'll check his little hip joint too. Now the right hip joint is much tighter than the left hip joint right here, I'll tell you that. Now, listen, I want you to feel what I feel. I want you to press here, and you feel that kind of give into your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel how this one is not giving?
Right.
Do you feel the difference? Okay, so hang on just a minute. Let me adjust that right. It's a sacroiliac joint, what that is. Or what will be a sacroiliac joint. It gets bigger.
Yeah.
Very, very easy. A lot of times, this is the way they laid inside of you. With that one leg kicked up.
Yep.
You still like, it's sort of
I
like.
always think he's his legs up. He looks like my niece. When my niece gets sleepy, she picks her feet up in the air and crosses them, twists them. That's what he does.
Well, they go through so many things, and that helps some. It's still tight on the right side and the left side.
He's like, oh.
Yeah, and usually if they're asleep when they start, they still sleep through the whole thing.
This time I eat too, so I was running in, woke up.
He's right on time, is he?
Yeah, we're a little behind on time on him, but he's gonna eat good this time.
That's better. Yeah. Can we get him on his back?
Mm-hmm.
He's such a little bug, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. Oops.
I'm not getting him clicking right now.
Good.
Now, if I'd have done that before I adjusted his hip, it's possible. And I'd say, hopefully, before they even do the ultrasound, they'll check his hip again.
They will.
And if it's normal, they probably won't put him through the ultrasound. He is a pretty little thing. Good thing he took after y'all women, not lying.
They got his middle name.
See how easy this is to adjust the neck in a baby? Because they don't have 20 years of junk in here. He's beautiful.
Like keeping.
I'm proud.